Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your medical needs abroad with Anthem, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your medical needs abroad with Anthem, start by visiting the Anthem website. Log into your member account using your credentials. If you haven't registered yet, create a new account by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the travel insurance section. Review the options available for international coverage. Select a plan that fits your travel needs and medical requirements. Make sure to check the network of providers available in your destination country. Contact customer service if you have questions about coverage details. Ensure your plan includes emergency medical assistance. Review any required documents or identification needed for coverage. Consider adding additional coverage for unexpected situations, like trip cancellations. Before you travel, print your policy information and carry it with you. Make note of any important phone numbers for claims or emergencies. Once you arrive at your destination, keep your insurance card readily accessible. In case of a medical need, contact the emergency services in your location immediately. Follow the procedures outlined in your Anthem policy for receiving care abroad. Submit any required documentation for reimbursement after your medical needs are addressed. Keep a record of all medical receipts and communications for your claim. Stay informed about the local healthcare system to ensure a smooth experience while abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.